Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make beautiful home decorations from plastic spoons and plastic forks and styrofoam disposable plates. Join me as I take you through to see how you can make this at the comfort of your home from just common materials. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more amazing DIY content like this. Thank you. These are the plastic spoons and forks. I detached them from the handle, and what I did now was to cut a circle shape from the styrofoam plastic disposable plate using a highlighter pen. Then I kept it aside, so I'm using my scissors to cut off the circular shape from the main takeaway plate. Do it carefully so you don't disfigure the shape. Then this is me attaching the plastic spoons. Yes, look at the repeating pattern of black and white. I'm attaching them according to their colors because I was working with white and black plastic spoons. So I arranged black, then white, then black, then white in a circular form, as you can see, using hot glue gun to attach them firmly. I had to keep the work on the table because I discovered that holding it on my hands was not making me work well. So I had to keep what I was doing on the bench, planning to show you my final work. Yes, this is the first round of the work. The other layer of the plastic spoons are facing upwards. Instead of the plastic spoon facing down, the plastic spoons are facing upwards. That was the design I had in mind, so it formed a shape like a bowl. It's still in the same order of white and black and white and black. So I'm done. This is the final shape I was working with. Not done per se, done with fixing the plastic spoons. Now let us apply the styrofoam decorating pebbles to cover the imperfections. So what I'm doing here is applying hot glue so that I can put those decorating pebbles on it to cover the imperfection and give it colorful look. These styrofoam balls can be gotten in a craft shop. Guys, I'm done. This is the final outlook of the masterpiece you've been creating. These decorations can be used in your homes, offices. They can be used on the walls as wall decorations, on center tables, a decoration in your corner, your space. So this is the second art I'll be making with plastic forks. These plastic forks gave me another beautiful vibe. They look like fire, flames of fire when I finished making them. I'm also repeating the same process for what I did with the plastic spoons, but the beauty of this is that forks are shaped differently from spoons, and it was just giving me those fire look. This is me cutting the circle shape I need for the base from the same styrofoam disposable plate. Then I started arranging the forks. Just like the spoon pattern, but it's kind of different in a way because I did not have to invert the forks for the second layer. This is me putting the last fork in the middle to give it a unique design. I actually wanted to discard the last fork, but I was like, let me just put it in the middle, and it made a lot of sense putting the last fork in the middle. Then I got my gold spray paint and sprayed the middle alone so that it will give it a mixture of black and gold instead of spraying it all gold, and I love the outcome. Don't forget to use your face masks when you are using spray paints because it may have side effects of dizziness and headache. I'm also spraying the back of the artwork, not everything but just the sides. So this is the final outlook, and you can also use it as wall decoration. If you have any ideas as to how I can improve this crafting, please hit me up in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or any inquiries you want to make as regards crafting, you can also hit me up in the comment section.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video till this moment. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, to comment and like, and also share. Bye.